Hello and welcome. This is Zasir Afras from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will create windows. Okay, so here you can see first we have to create a window for this, then here and then here, and we have to just create ventilator as well. Okay, so first we will create window here, then we will convert that into block, then we will convert that into dynamic block, and we will put some action. Okay, and we will put here stretch action, and we will see how to use that one. Okay, so here I will just only create one layer, that is for windows and for ventilator, for both. Okay, and then I will put some action. Let's see how to do that. I will go into the layer. Okay, and I will create new layer here, and I will write here window and ventilator. Okay, then I will just make this as a current layer here. Now I will change the color from here as well, so I need this kind of color for window. I will press OK. Now I will go here. Okay, now I want to create a window here, so the symbol for the window is, I will just create line from here to this point, then from this point to this point, then I will create one in middle. Okay, here, and I will just give a offset of 12 millimeter from this midpoint to both side. Okay, and I will delete this one. So this is the symbol for window. Okay, so you will know at the end that why I am just creating block and I am converting this into dynamic block. Okay, I will select this one, I will move it from here, okay, to this point. Okay, now I want to give this edge as well. Okay, this point and this point as well. Now what I will do, I will just go into the create, and from here I will just write here window and ventilator. Okay, so then I will specify the point, so I will just specify this point for example. Now I will just select that particular object and I will hit enter, then I will press OK. Now I want to just give some dynamic action on it. Okay, here you can see the window 1 size is here, window 1 size is 1500 millimeter. Okay, and then window 2, this is window 2, and the size here is 1200. Okay, increment is what, 300 millimeter. Okay, again let's see one about this. Okay, now this will be what, 900. Okay, again 300 millimeter of increment. Again let's check this one, and this is 600. Okay, so this is the increment, this is starting from 600 ending up 1500, and the increment is 300. Okay, so we will just put a action of stretch on it. Okay, and then rotate as well. Now I will just convert this into dynamic block. For that I will go here and I will go into the block editor, and from here I will select this one, I will press OK. Now I want to just put two actions. Okay, one is rotation and second is stretch. First I will just put stretch action. I will go into the parameter, I will go into the linear, I will right click, from here I will go into the value set, and I will just click on increment. So increment is 300 millimeter. I will hit enter. Minimum value, as the size of ventilator is 600, so this is the minimum value, and the highest value or maximum value here is the maximum size of window is 1500, so I will just enter value of 1500. I will hit enter. Now I will just give first point and second point. Okay, I will put this here. Okay, now I will go into the action. From here I will go into the stretch. Now I will just select the parameter, okay, as this parameter. Now I want to just give a parameter point, so this is the point. Then it is asking about first corner of stretch frame, so I will create a frame here. Okay, now it is asking about select a object. Don't select this line, as I want to select this object for stretch. Okay, so I will select this one, I will hit enter. Now it is going to add. Okay, now I will just add one more parameter, that is rotation. I will go here. Okay, I will go into the rotation. Now it is asking about specify the base point, so this is the base point along which it will rotate. Now I want to just give a radius like this. Now it is asking about angle, so I will give angle of 360 degree. Now I will go into the action, I will go into the rotate. Okay, Now it is asking about the parameter, so I will select the parameter, I will select that particular object and I will hit enter. Okay, both of the actions are just added. Okay, now I will just save this block, I will close the block editor and I want to check these actions. Okay, first one here you can see I want to just stretch this one. You can see here vertical lines. So first here you can see the 1500, then 1200, then 900 and then 600. Okay, you can stretch along this one, you cannot stretch after 1500. Okay, so I will click here. Now I want to check the rotation option, so I want to rotate. You can rotate it on 360 degree. Okay, so first I will just insert here, so I will go into the insert, I will insert here. Okay, I want to insert here. Now I want to insert here as well. I will go into the insert and I want to insert here. Okay, now I have to just give as a value here. Okay, I want to move this one from this point to this point. Okay, now I want to just insert here as well, so I will go here, I will select this one and I want to give this point. Okay, now I want to just reduce the stretch, so I will reduce this one, I will move this one from this point to this point. Okay, again I just want to insert ventilator as well, so I will go here, I will select this one and I will go here and I want to rotate this one first, so I want to rotate it. Now I will just move it from this point to this point. Okay, and I will reduce the stretch, so I will reduce it to this point. So this is how you can insert all of the windows and the ventilator as well. Now you can see that the how dynamic block is useful. Okay, so we have done up to this and I will see you in the next. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.